You're what's good, guys? So today we have the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. Let's get into it. So first, let's take a look around the box. Samsung on that side. Galaxy Z Flip 5. Top box. Okay. Cables. Paper. Simple. All right. Let's get to what we came here for. Take a look at that. I went with the cream color. Let's look at the sides. The bottom. The power and the volume. And the top is pretty much clean. Nice cream color. Cameras at the top, flash, full screen, that focus, or flip as they call it. No gap. Samsung on the hinge. Okay, let me set this up and I'll be right back.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, so as you see here, they do give you some tips to help kind of take care of your phone, since this is a folding screen type phone. Something I didn't show in the fold video, so you could pause this, read this, and it might help someone out. Okay, and here we go. The flip. It does pick up a lot of fingerprints. The cover display. Camera. These same devices. You can fold the picture. You have your clock.
What?
Wow, I meant calendar. Weather. There's a full small screen, but you can do more things with it. Okay guys, so that was unboxing of the Z Flip 5. In my next video, I want to get into some comparisons between the Z Flip 5 and also the Fold, so we can see what they're both about. All right, well, till next time, peace.